Please welcome the crystal voice of Asia, Shireen Reyes.
You told me that you love me if I never change. Welcome me into your arms again. Come on and out of the rain. Hey, there's a place in your heart to love me again. Happiness and joy you bring when you call my name. Come on and out of the rain.
Parang naging Shireen Reyes, naging theater actress ako sa Cebu, and naging dancer din ako ng dancer ko, no? Sing and dance kasi yung time na yun na parang tribal group or something. And I'll be dancing jive, and nung pinanood ko sa video, ganito pala ang jive, oh my God, it's challenging. It's parang, sana kanta na lang to, di ba? Ito, ang expectation ko is like, I will learn. And then, lahat ng nerves ko, nangangatog. Kayang-kaya natin to, so, fight!
Love the bass.
Shireen and Angelo, what a lovely way to start the evening. Good evening, judges. Miss Reg, we will start with you.
Good evening, Miss Lucy. Wow, congratulations. That's the first time I've ever seen you dance, and that was amazing. You are just a little package that's so explosive, diba? Great things come in small packages. So,
Thank you.
I'm so surprised because the same energy that you give out in your concerts and in your shows and in all of your performance, ganun din pala sa pagsayaw. So it's a revelation for all of us that you're so multi-talented. At sana, someday may incorporate mo rin yan sa mga concerts mo.
Hey, thank you.
Miss Edna.
Fantastic jive number. It's difficult, it's intricate, the timing is good, choreography is excellent. You have an excellent partner there, Shireen, because he really made you do your best, put out the best in you. Ang hirap na mga steps mo, I'm sure, for you, no? It's very new to you, but you were able to cope. You can breathe, yet you present yourself, and yet you dance.
Thank you.
Very good. Very
you.
good.
Two of our judges are very happy. Tingnan natin kung happy din si Tito Dogs. Tito Dogs?
Shireen, you were exploding on the dance floor. That was very good choreography, Angelo. Very good dance. And if you just go on practicing, I think you'll become a dancer talaga.
Really? Thank
dancer.
you. It's my first time, actually.
It's your first time.
Yeah,
I was
to
going to
dance.
ask you that. You don't have a background in dance?
Nothing. Singing only.
Singing only. So this is something that you know. How many years have you been in the business?
In the business, 6 years.
6 years. And It's only now that you found out that you have a real knack for dancing.
Yeah, after 6 years, ngayon ako nakakasayaw talaga.
It took Angelo to bring that out.
Okay,
You're
thank
very
you,
lucky
Angelo.
that you were paired with Angelo,
I
one of
know.
her strongest dancers. What?
Natural.
Oh, okay. Angela says she is a natural. Congratulations, you were a joy to watch on our dance floor. Vic and John, what's up with you guys? But first, the judges' comments. Shireen and Angelo, the judges said the choreography was excellent. And it was a good partnership because Angelo brought out the best in Shireen. Si Shireen was fantastic, amazing, and explosive. Puro superlatives, ha? And Tito Douglas said that she can be a good dancer if she decides to pursue it. Congratulations, Shireen. Tonight, Sayawoke winning pair is... Nako, nakikita ko lahat ng numbers from 1 to 3. Sorry guys, we only have one winner and that would be Shireen and Angelo. Congratulations. Tito Douglas is giving them the flowers and the trophy. Thank you, Tito Douglas. Miss Reg, thanks. At this point, let's talk first to our winners. Come. Shireen, are you happy? Come.
Yes, I am very happy. It's my first time and my trophy now. Thank you.
It's your first time and I'm sure this won't be your last time. Whether here or in another show, in another channel, you've just discovered a new facet to yourself.
Yeah, thank you. At nagte-thank you din kay Angelo, at kay Steph, sa papa niya, sa pag-suporta talaga, and my family, and of course to God. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much for being on the show. Hindi pa tapos yung sayawan. At this point, let's call in Miss Edna to teach us a new dance step. Miss Edna.